African continent is developing at an ever-increasing pace, and nowhere is this more visible than in the powerhouse nation of South Africa. Vast reserves of some of the most valuable minerals on the planet are harvested across the country in mines that stretch from north to south in myriad patterns across the countryside, following seams of ore reaching hundreds of kilometers. Once the ore is refined, lengths of steel of varying dimensions and weights are used as the rigid backbone of commercial construction at companies, with GENREC being a key consumer of this raw product in varied projects that are designed to improve the economical infrastructure that powers the continent. One South African company has forged a proud heritage with roots in the economy reaching back to the early 50s, and GENREC has become a name synonymous with quality and reliability. An industry leader associated with some of the highest profile engineering and construction projects in the country, as well as within the international arena. GENREC is an established business in the area of fabricating steel solutions through a stable and well-monitored process of total project management. This includes processes involving design and detailing, from basic engineering to structural fabrication, planning and programming, as well as the final erection of structures. From humble beginnings, GENREC emerged from a family business working from a small office in the Free State goldfields in 1953 and grew steadily to be listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange in 1974. Industry giant Marion Roberts took a controlling interest in the company in 1992, and the GENREC success story continues today, managed and driven by a well-qualified, seasoned executive team. GENREC Engineering is a massive operation by any standards. A 55,000 square meter complex undercover is divided into various work bays, designed to improve a systematic workflow that is highly functional and key to dealing effectively with any structural project requirements, large or small, and at any level of complexity. There is a strict adherence to tight processes and procedures throughout the fabrication of steel products, supported by world-class computerized track and trace tracking systems that actively track every stage of development and progress of the project. An optimizing expansion drive by the company has resulted in the utilization of resources, equipment, training, and logistics in close symmetry with the latest systems, CNC equipment, welding processes, and high-volume blasting and painting equipment in company operations. The resulting workflow has evolved from a modern streamlining of operations that will increase productivity in fabrication from in excess of 2,000 tons month on month, escalating to 3,500 tons, which is dependent on steel complexity. Precision heavy engineering is our game, although we routinely deal with light, medium, and heavy structural fabrication as a matter of business. Situated in the heart of Wadeville near Johannesburg, the GENREC plant lies sprawled across 5 acres of real estate. A company of this size would simply not function optimally without a well-trained and dedicated core of staff, ranging from professional engineers to qualified artisans on the workshop floors, who work together to ensure the smooth operational functioning of an organization whose products and services are integral to the South African economy. Excellence in safety across all operations is paramount to the work ethic at GENREC, and we are proud of our BS OH SAS 1801-2007 rating. On-site training ensures a high level of staff quality, production, and general efficiency across the operational spectrum. GENREC is a Level 4 BEE contributor and will remain committed to developing human potential through the implementation of core values that are integral to the successful functioning of each individual within the organization. Care, accountability, and honesty are integral to each member of the GENREC team. GENREC prides itself on a proven track record of project delivery on time, to standard and within budget. Our highly skilled people make optimal use of GENREC's performance capabilities to get the job done. This is accomplished through a keen grasp of client structural project requirements, matched with structural steel design solutions and constructed by the company's expansive engineering and production teams. This is where our performance capabilities are elevated to optimal levels, with professional engineers certifying designs, employing state-of-the-art computer software programs such as StruCAD, Xsteel, Tekla, AutoCAD and Strumis, and providing full 3D structural models, thereby achieving maximum benefits for clients. Once detailed fabrication drawings have been committed to shop drawings, production staff take over and see designs through to fruition. GENREC's working bays are the very heart of the company, where all of the many designs and detailing are interpreted by highly skilled and motivated staff committed to the art of steel fabrication. This is a production line on grand scale, as raw steel comes in one end of the fabrication works and is processed using computerized systems in tandem with a host of experienced engineers, boilermakers and welders with a team of support staff in a symphony of steel. GENREC is a leading industry specialist manufacturer of steel structures and equipment in such diversified markets as power generation, mining, petrochemical industries, mineral beneficiation, as well as industrial, oil and gas infrastructure. Safety is a constant watchword under all conditions at GENREC, and everyone working here is keenly aware of the inherent dangers associated with heavy steel fabrication, underpinned by the key value of care. Throughout the factory, there is evidence of the company's commitment to providing the right tools for the job, ensuring that products are handled in the right manner, minimizing risk and securing the timeless completion of orders. One of the most impressive features of the factory can be seen from the floor looking up, where 88 overhead gantry cranes with a single lift capacity of 200 tons in a single lift traverse the fabrication works, lifting, carrying and lowering fabricated steel weighing tens of tons. Outside in the yard, a 250-ton mobile crane crawls forward clutching products that are loaded onto waiting carriers, ready to haul them to clients in various parts of the country. There is a ready supply of stock awaiting transport to various clients across the country, and heavy haulage trucks are constant visitors to the transport bay, where product is loaded, secured safely, and onward to their destinations. GENREC has always believed in developing human potential, and there is every opportunity offered to those who accept the challenge, as we are committed to in-house training. It remains the choice of individuals to develop their skills, and GENREC actively supports ongoing training, ensuring the right people have the opportunity to achieve their full potential, by accepting that they need to strive for excellence and accountability. Any company is only as strong as its people, who themselves passionately live by the business values each day. An apprentice training bay facility on site facilitates quality on-the-job training in an environment designed to foster professional growth through mentorship, eventually qualifying individuals who can then contribute and complement the main workforce at GENREC. This facility also ensures growth and diversity because apprentices can add value by successfully contributing to output through completing smaller structural items and products for the company in a fast, light production facility. In a turnkey solution unique to GENREC, engineers have developed a system of barcoding at the plant in Wadeville, which comprises important technical information including individual component identification and batch numbers, which are scanned via handheld devices and entered onto a tracking system designed to track and batch products from the fabrication works right through to clients' premises, where erection engineers are able to identify and locate structural members at a glance. And this system saves significant time, whilst adding value to the production chain. This system has greatly enhanced the service offering to clients like Eskom, who have come to rely on GENREC to get the job done right, first time. Through a unique combination of services comprising engineering, manufacturing, construction and site management, GENREC are able to offer clients turnkey solutions through a professional one-stop solution. Nowhere is this more evident than at a project that will add significant value to the South African economy and infrastructure. The world's fourth largest coal-fired power station, the majestic Medupi, is being erected just outside of the town of Lephalale in the northern part of the country. GENREC is intrinsically involved in the construction and on-site erection of this massive steel structure, encasing the 6-boiler power plant. As preferred fabricators for this prime development, GENREC have displayed the level of professionalism and quality service delivery expected of a blue-chip company in the manufacturing, construction and erection business sector. A project the scale of Medupi has inherent service agreement levels with contractors, which include the timeless delivery of projects, and cost remains a constant watchword. We at GENREC are keenly aware that our products are a reflection of the team that creates them. Our people are recognized as the underlying force driving delivery of our clients' vision for their products. Our values are embedded in every one of the individuals walking the floors of our fabrication works, sites and offices, who remain collectively focused on delivering products and services beyond our clients' expectations. These factors have contributed to GENREC achieving the status of being one of the industry leaders in South Africa, an achievement we're proud of. Our goal remains to focus on the unique requirements of our expanding client base, taking cognizance of our clients' budgets, their time constraints and their particular needs, ensuring that once we have committed to a project, it receives a GENREC mark of quality.